Hello, everyone. We're going to have a look today about applying straight line equations to real life situations. So we have a cartoon of the dog here saying for 1 year for a human is equivalent to 7 years for a dog. So we're going to use that information to answer these questions. In the cartoon, what is the equation that links H and D? So let's have a look at that. We can start by getting a table of values. So we've got here 1 human year is equal to 7 dog years. So if I had 1 human year, that would be 7 dog years. So it just keeps going up like that. So if I go another 2 human years, it would be 14 dog years. 3 human years, 21. 3 sevens are 21. 4 human years, 4 sevens are 28. 5 human years would be 35. 6 human years would be 6 sevens are 42. And you can go 7 human years, 7 sevens are 49. Now, what's happening here? We've looked at this sort of thing before. For every time we're going up 1 here, okay, that's always going up 1 every time. What's happening down here? That's going up 7. That's going up 7. It's always going up 7. So to do our equation, we start with the second line of the table of values. So we're going to say the number of dog years is equal to the number of human years times 7, because it's going up 7 every time. So D equals H times 7, or you might want to write that as D equals 7H. You want to be write it in a more concise way. Okay, so let's draw a graph representing that. So just like X always goes horizontal, which is the first part of the table of values, this way we're going to have the human years is going to go horizontal and the dog years is going to go vertical. Now I'm only starting here at 0. I'm not going to do the negatives because we don't have negatives when it comes to ages. So this is the human years. 1 human years, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We could keep going, but that's enough for us to see what's happening. And now have a look at what we need to do. We need to go up to sort of in the 40s. So we want to have something here that works sensibly to go up to the 40s. So I think every 10, each square, oops, that should be 20. Each square is worth 10. Will and truly make us go up high enough. Okay, so let's plot this information. If I have 1 human year, I have 7 dog years. So 7's about here. Okay, if I have 2 human years, I have 14, which is about there. 3 human years is 21, just over there. 4 human years is 28, there. 5 human years is 5, look it up there, is 35, right in the middle. 6 human years is 42, so just over the top there. Okay, so we need to join that up with the straight line. What's going to happen here at 0? It's 0 human years, it's 0 dog years. So we're starting right there from the middle. I'm going to see if I can draw this with a straight line. Here. So you guys can use a ruler and yep, this works quite well. I get a straight line, you guys use a ruler, and even a look at that line's going to keep going. So maybe that should have been a point more there and there. Okay, and there we have it. I've answered part B. I've drawn the graph representing the relationship between the human years and dog years. There we go.